In India's growing construction landscape, one machine is redefining how concrete is made, moved, and managed. A revolution in compact construction technology, designed, built, and engineered for India. Introducing the SAO SM500 Mini Self-Loading Concrete Mixer. From SAO Solution Makers, India's first compact self-loading mixer designed for performance, portability, and power. At SAO Solution Makers, we believe innovation begins with understanding ground realities. From rural roads to urban developments, we saw one challenge everywhere: the need for efficient, compact, and affordable concrete solutions. Large mixers were expensive and immobile. Manual mixers wasted time, fuel, and manpower. And that's where the idea for the SM500 was born. A self-propelled, self-loading concrete mixer that delivers high performance in a small footprint. The SAO SM500 combines three key operations into one machine: loading, mixing, and transporting. It's not just a mixer, it's a mobile batching plant on wheels. Compact enough to fit narrow roads and tight sites, yet powerful enough to mix and deliver 2 cubic meters of concrete every hour. Every component of the SM500 is built for endurance. A 0.5 cubic meter high-strength steel drum ensures uniform mixing. The variable pitch blades produce a consistent, homogeneous mix. A Chanfang CF25 diesel engine delivers 22 horsepower. Transmitted through a hydraulic drive system for smooth movement and torque. With a turning radius of just 4 meters, it can maneuver in places no traditional mixer can go. Hydraulic steering, wheel side reducer drive, and the 20 km per hour top speed make it versatile and efficient. The SAO SM500 simplifies construction. Load materials directly into the drum, add water through the integrated tank, and mix on the go. No extra loader, no power supply, no waiting. Just drive, mix, and pour anywhere. Maintenance and design. Maintenance is effortless. The SM500 is built with locally sourced components, ensuring easy service and spare availability. The steel chassis is precision welded for structural strength. Every part, from hydraulic pump to tires, is optimized for durability. Fuel consumption is minimal, because efficiency is built into every turn of its craft. From Telangana to Tamil Nadu, from Rajasthan to the Northeast, the SAO SM500 is empowering local contractors, Panchayats, and PMAY housing developers. It's perfect for rural housing and small building projects, road maintenance and irrigation work, paver block and brick manufacturing units, remote construction sites with no electricity. Whether you are building a home, a bridge, or a village road, the SM500 is your on-site partner in progress. Customers across India trust the SAO SM500 for one simple reason: it works. Before, we needed 5 people and 2 machines. Now, 1 man and 1 SM500 do it all. Another customer adds, we used to hire loaders and mixers separately. Now our project time is cut in half. Efficiency, savings, reliability. That's the SAO promise. Technical summary, on-screen graphics. Here's a quick look at the SAO SM500 performance data. Drum capacity, 0.5 cubic meters per batch, 2 cubic meters per hour. Engine, 22 HP diesel, Chanfang CF25. Drive, hydraulic, wheel side reducer. Turning radius, 4.4 meters. Machine weight, 1600 kilograms. Max speed, 20 kilometers per hour. Steel grade, 16 mm high strength steel. Fuel tank, 18L, hydraulic, 20L. Compact in size, massive in performance. Brand promise and innovation focus. The SAO SM500 isn't just another machine. It's an India innovation designed for real-world performance. Every SM500 passes through strict quality checks at our Hyderabad facility, ensuring reliability, precision, and value for every customer. Our mission is simple: to make modern construction accessible to every contractor across India. If you are a builder, a contractor, or a dreamer shaping India's future, you need the right machine to power your vision. SAO SM500, one machine, one operator, one solution. Visit www.saoindia.in or call +91 93817 47521 today. Join the SAO family and build smarter, faster, and stronger with the SM500. SAO Solution Makers, engineering India's future.